heart of agility planning is a cloud-based or on-premise relational data warehouse architecture optimized for analytics and planning based on SQL Server, a standard that is typically already in place in many organizations. This approach optimally addresses the typical pain points where business users can't properly control the parts that they should and don't have the tools they require in the process. No need to maintain yet another exotic proprietary legacy BI solution requires expensive specialized consulting. Agility planning integrates with all components of your data discovery solution and the familiar spreadsheet environment. Agility planning adds a modeling and write-back processing engine to SQL Server that manages the relational tables in memory, resulting in unparalleled performance. The agility planning web modeler empowers business users without specific IT skills to build and maintain their data models exactly as they need them. They can edit existing dimensions, for example, scenarios, to add a new scenario. This is then available in all the front ends that agility planning supports: Microsoft Power BI, an integration into Excel, a native mobile app, and a web browser application. But it's also possible to integrate easily existing content, for example, to copy and paste structures from Excel into the one version of the truth central server model. An easy click and copy and paste the information from your existing spreadsheet applications and build your central data model that in the end ends up as a relational standard table. It's also possible to build data models completely from scratch. So without the need for an existing data source, you can build data models that you require using dimensions that already exist, automatically created from your source systems, or even those can be created from scratch. So you have now your new data model that reflects your particular requirements, but with structures that automatically update based on the source. And with this model, you can then work in the front end of choice. So for example, in Excel, just like using a pivot table, you can drag and drop the parts of the new model into the report. For example, the period, the sales representative, and finally the scenario. And then immediately here from Excel, you can see the data structures that obviously automatically update, but you can also then collect your data. So for example, select the desired scenario and immediately enter the data using very powerful functionalities like copy and paste, drag and drop, but also entering data based on formulas. Once you're finished, you commit it to the server. Then you see the results of this data entry, how they affect, for example, the total results. And then you can do a top-down approach to further modify the results from a top-down perspective, and again immediately see the results and how the change reflected on the detailed level. Everything that happens in agility planning is recorded in the transaction log, giving you a complete audit trail of what's happening, so you can immediately see who entered what information or changed what parts of the model in the agility planning web model. For any further information on how agility planning can take your organization to the next level, please don't hesitate to contact us on these details.